Dear students, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am sharing 11th Accountancy half-yearly exam 20 hours plan. See in this tabular column, you can see how many one words and very short answers from lesson 1 to 14 and illustration sums, exercise sums. So totally 116 one words are there, 92 very short answer, that is 2 marks question, short answer 66, illustration 113 and exercise sums 120. So I have planned in this way, so within 20 hours you can finish all these portions without leaving any questions. See, for one word I have allotted 1 hour and 2 marks. If you spend 2 minutes for each question, approximately 3 hours you can finish. And 3 marks, 66 questions are there, but I have put 5 minutes. You can even reduce so that you reduce to 3 minutes or 4 minutes. So then it will come to approximately 6 hours or 5 hours. So depending on the availability of time, you can allot. So here 6.5 is coming, but I thought you can reduce for some easy questions. You can reduce 3 minutes, okay? Instead of 5 minutes, you can take 3 minutes. So you can cover all these 3 marks, because some 3 marks will be asked in 5 marks also in theory questions. So 6 hours and illustration and exercise sums 10 hours if you spend 5 minutes or 3 minutes, okay? So 10 hours it will take. So altogether to finish this portion you need 20 hours. So these 20 hours you can split 2 hours, 2 hours or 3 hours, 3 hours in the morning, 3 hours in the afternoon, 3 hours in the evening. So evening you can spend more time, 4 hours or 5 hours like that. So you can finish this without leaving any questions. You can do it. And I'm sharing some more 2 marks, 3 marks question. These all questions I took from the government paper only, which was asked in 2018, 19, 19, 20, half-yearly exam, quarterly exam, midterm. From those question paper I have taken. See here, fill in the missing information. You will be getting purchase furniture from Roshni, furniture account data to Roshni account, and you have to, the amount they have not given. And then here received 18,800 from Raja in full settlement of the amount due rupees 19,000. So here cash account data 18,800, discount allowed account data 200, and to Raja you have to write 19,000. And here only one transaction they have given. You have to prepare purchase book. You have to write Deepak and Co, and all these things you have to multiply and you have to show. Then here they have given everything. You have to less 10% discount, and afterwards you have to add delivery charges and you have to show in the outer column. And here rectification of errors before the preparation of the trial balance. Before the preparation you can write in an explanatory note, sales book was undercast by rupees 100. So sales book is credit balance, so you have to give further credit. So you have to write like this: sales account should be credited with rupees 100. And purchase returns book was overcast. Purchase returns balance is credit balance. Overcast means you have to give opposite balance. So debit purchase returns account with rupees 200. And next from machinery they have asked depreciation, amount of depreciation and rate of depreciation. Using the formula you have to solve. And next compute cost of goods sold. I hope you know opening stock plus closing stock, opening stock plus plus purchases plus direct expenses minus closing stock. Here indirect expenses, just to confuse you, they have given. You should not take indirect expenses. Again I say the formula: opening stock plus purchases plus direct expenses minus closing stock. And then next is rectification of errors. Again after the preparation you can use the word suspense account, but here you have to read the question. What is the error here? Salary paid to Tejas was wrongly debited to his personal account. So instead of debiting salary account, they have debited Tejas account. So what is the correct entry is salary account data to Tejas account 1000 you have to write. Credit sale of goods to Aswini for rupees 450 was debited to Remy account. So instead of Aswin, they have debited Remy. So Ashwin account data to Remy account you write. And here the normal wages paid was wrongly posted to machinery account. So machinery account you have to cancel. So wages account data to machinery account. And then here they have given you the machinery which was purchased on 1st April with the amount. Okay, so these two you have to add. So 5 lakhs, and after using it for 3 years they have sold for 3,85,000. So you have to provide depreciation for 3 years, and then you have to subtract the sales price, and you have to compare whether it is profit or loss, and then only the calculation you have to show. There is no need of passing journal entry or no preparation of machinery account. And calculate the due days. In the previous video I have given how to calculate this. I will give the link in the description box. You can do that. And next, these all questions I took from the government paper only. And next, this is also another 3 marks question, rectification. And here also you have to pass the journal entry. Wages paid for the erection was wrongly debited to wages account. You have to debit to machinery. So machinery account data to wages account. Sales return book was short total. Sales return has a debit balance. So you have to write debit sales returns account with rupees 1000. Goods purchased for rupees 200 was posted as 2000. So it is overcast. So what you have to write is purchase account is debit balance. Overcast means you have to give opposite balance. So credit purchase account with rupees 1800, the difference you have to write. And next is here, it is from the 13th lesson. Suresh account, bad debts. The book shows the bad debts balance rupees 800, sundry debtors 16,000, and during that accounting period 1200 is the further bad debts, and pass journal entry for bad debts and also show how it would appear. So passing journal entry for adjusting entry for bad debts is bad debts account data to sundry debtors account 1200 you should write. And on the profit and loss debit side you have to write the bad debts, the old balance. Okay, start from that to balance bad debts and add further bad debts 1200. So total is 2000. And in the balance sheet you have to write on the asset side debtors account debtors 16,000 in the inner column, and less the new bad debts, the further bad debts 1200, and remaining 14,800 you have to show in the outer column. And next is bank reconciliation statement of Jayakumar. It is as per the cash book. And check deposited not cleared you have to subtract, and customer has deposited 800 into the bank directly, so this you have to add with the cash this balance. So you will get the answer balance as per bank statement. Thank you students. I will keep posting sums in the expected sums in the next video. Thank you for watching.